I'm going to show you how to remove the amplifier and Bluetooth module from Acura MDX. The tools that you need is this 8mm and 10mm socket, plus this yellow dashboard removal tool. The first step on the passenger side, you drop the panel under the glove box. It does not have any screws, it just only clips and only one plug. Once you get it unplugged, and then you can remove the side panel on the passenger side. By the way, we already made everything loose. This is just for the demo only, and you do the same thing on the driver's side. And the reason that we remove this panel is because there are screws underneath on each side. There is a screw right here for the mounting for the center console. It's a size 10mm. And then there is another one on the driver's side right there. It's 10mm also. And once you get these two screws out, then underneath the armrest there are two more screws. These two are 10mm also, and then there is a one under the cup holder. This one is 8mm. And to get the cup holder, you just need to remove this plastic cover, and then you can get to the screw. Once you get all these screws out, then you can pull the whole center console backward, and now you have access to the amplifier and the Bluetooth module. The amplifier is located on the passenger side. There are two 10mm bolts in the front, and then the two all the way in the back. The one in the back, you just need to make it loose. In the front, you have to completely remove it. To get the amplifier out completely, you need to remove this air conditioning vent. You take this pin out, plastic pin out, and then you can remove the vent. And once you get the vent out, you have enough room to pull the amplifier forward. And to get the amplifier out completely, you need to push that cable behind the amplifier back all the way, and then you have enough room to remove the amp. This cable behind it, you just have to push it all the way back, and then you can release the amplifier. And the Bluetooth module is located on the driver's side. Once you get the driver's side cover off, is mounted right on the panel on the driver's side, and that's the Bluetooth module. So if you need any repair for the amplifier or Bluetooth module, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.